नमस्कार भाइ बहिनी। आज मैले क्लास 5 को साइन्स एन्ड टेक्नोलोजी युनिट 1 साइन्टिफिक लर्निङ लिएर आएको छु। Fill in the blanks with the correct words. The process of asking questions related to science is inquiry. The comparison of an unknown quantity with a known quantity is called measurement. 1 kilogram equals 1000 grams. There are 60 seconds in 1 minute. Study of measurement is metrology. Write true for correct statement and false for wrong one. Schematic figures are easy to understand. True. Milligrams is the largest unit of mass. False. Measuring cylinder is used to measure the volume of liquid. True. Laboratory equipment should be handled carefully. True. Short answer questions. What is observation? Write any two aspects of importance of observation. Observation is the process of carefully watching and examining something to gain information. It helps students develop keen interest and a clear understanding of subject matter. It makes learning easier and long lasting by providing direct experience. Write any three steps that should be followed while doing experiments. Ask a question or define a problem. Collect information and make a hypothesis. Perform the experiment and analyze data. List any two aspects of importance of inquiry in learning science subjects. Inquiry allows students to develop communication skills by asking questions and discussing answers. It broadens students' thinking by connecting questions with the subject matter, making learning effective. What is mass? Write the unit of mass. Mass is the quantity of matter contained in an object. The SI unit of mass is kilograms, and other units include gram, milligram, and ton. What is volume? Write the unit of volume. Volume is the total space occupied by an object. The SI unit of volume is cubic meters, and other units include liter, milliliter, and cubic centimeter. List any two precautions that should be followed while doing science experiments. Handle laboratory equipment carefully to avoid accidents. Wear protective gear like gloves or goggles when working with chemicals or heat sources. Here is Here are the diagrams of a test tube funnel, beaker, tripod stand. You can draw it in your book. Calculate the volume of a solid whose length is 20 centimeters, breadth is 10 centimeters, and height is 5 centimeters by using the formula volume equals length time base time height. So by using the formula, the volume is 1000 cubic centimeters. Calculate the volume of brick whose length is 10 centimeters, breadth is 15, and height is 30. Again, by using the formula of volume, volume equal length time breadth time height. It is 4500 cubic centimeters. What will be the volume of a stone that can displace 250 milliliters of water? Give reasons to support your answers. The volume of the stone will be 250 cubic centimeters because the volume of the water displaced by an object is equal to the volume of the object. How will you calculate the volume of irregular solids? Explain the process with a figure. So in this diagram you can see you can use measuring cylinder to measure the volume of irregular object. So you can take the water in the measuring cylinder and then put that irregular solid object inside it and note down the final volume after the solid has been submerged in the water. Calculate the volume of liquid and solid from the given figures. So the volume is final volume minus initial volume. That is 90 minus 70 equals 20 milliliters. Convert the given units as indicated. So 70 centimeters into meters you divide by 100. 10 minutes into second you multiply by 60. 2 hours into minutes again you multiply by 60. 3 meter into centimeters multiply by 100. 20 millimeters into centimeter divide by 10. 1 hectometer into centimeters multiply by 10,000. Ask your guardians 10 questions about the animals that you like most. Write answers to the questions and present them in your class. So I have taken about tiger here. So question, what kind of animal is a tiger? Answer, a tiger is a wild cat known for its strength and stripes. Where do tigers live? Tiger live in forests, grasslands, and mangrove swamps in Asia. What do tigers eat? Tigers eat meat, mostly deer, wild boar, and other animals. Are tigers dangerous? Yes, tigers can be dangerous because they are powerful predators. How fast can a tiger run? A tiger can run up to 40 miles per hour for short distances. Why do tigers have stripes? Their stripes help them hide in the grass and trees while hunting. How big can a tiger grow? Tiger can grow up 10 feet long, including their tail. Are tigers good swimmers? Yes, tigers are excellent swimmers and enjoy water. How many types of tigers are there? Tigers are several types, including Bengal, Siberian, and Sumatran tigers. Are tigers endangered? Yes, many tiger species are endangered due to habitat loss and poaching. Observe the given figure and answer the questions. So you can observe the butterfly and answer the questions. So which animal is given in the figure? Obviously the animal is a butterfly. Where does it live? Butterflies lives in garden, forest, meadows and anywhere there are flowers. What does it eat? Butterflies eat nectar from flowers. How does it reproduce? Butterflies lay eggs on leaves. The egg hatch into caterpillars which later become butterflies. Where is it found? Butterflies are found all over the world, especially in warm and sunny places. Can you draw the figure of this animal? Yes, I can draw a butterfly with colorful wings and a thin body. What is the color of its wings? Its wings are yellow with black marking and it has red and blue spots near the bottom. For question F, you have to draw the butterfly in your book. Observe the figure and answer the following questions. So the parts are A. Thermometer, B. Cork, C. Burner, D. Distillation flask, E. Delivery tube, F. Condenser, G. Receiver, H. Stand. So role of parts D, F and H have been listed there. So distillation flask, this is where the mixture is heated. The liquid with the lower boiling point evaporates first. Condenser, it cools the vapor back into the liquid form using cold water around the inner tube. Stand, it supports the apparatus. Mention the process shown in the figure. The process is distillation. Multiple choice question. So first one, which of the following is scientific process of learning? So it is observation. Which of the following is a step of observation? Define a question. What are the safety measures that should be considered to avoid accidents, also called precaution? Why are schematic figures important in science? To understand and to understand clearly. If the length of your science book is 18 centimeters and breadth is 24 centimeters, then what is the difference between the two sides of the book in centimeters? It is 6 centimeters. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Please do subscribe and give me feedback as well, negative, positive, any. Thank you so much.